In this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of the assembly process for the BOLUO Dresser and also give you a close-up of what the finished product looks like so you know exactly what to expect when your product arrives. But here's all the pieces that you receive. There really isn't much to it and it's super simple to get assembled. So the first step is getting the top portion assembled. This is the longest step. This took me about 20 minutes to do, but if you can screw in screws, you can get this thing put together pretty quick. And now for the next step is getting the bottom frame together, and there are just a few bolts that go across the three frames here, and then you're good to move on to the next part. The next part is getting that outlet and LED lights in. The LED lights are optional, but I do think they look pretty good, and they're just double-sided tape, and the outlet screws in with 2 screws. So now we've got the whole frame put together. We just got to get the drawers in there, and this thing is finished. The drawers just unfold. You can screw in the handles, and you're good to go and slide them right into the dresser. Overall, this dresser took me about 45 minutes to complete. And here's what the final product looks like. I love that the drawers have that wood accent and silver handle on the front, and the actual frame of itself is painted like a matte paint, so it really does look like a wood dresser from far away. You don't notice that it's fabric until you open the drawers and see that, so I do think that's really a nice perk to it. And it comes with 2 outlets, 2 USB ports, so you won't need a surge protector, which is very nice. And the top of it is big enough to fit a TV, or it should be able to fit whatever personal items you need. You get a lot of storage space up there. But overall, this is easy to assemble, affordable. I give this dresser 2 thumbs up.